Clark County Open Studios is a free self-guided tour where local artists open their studios to the public and share their creative process. Artist demonstration and hands-on learning opportunities in a wide range of visual media expand opportunity and accessibility for residents of all ages to experience art. Open Studios inspires conversations, ignites relationships, and creates connections that extend far beyond the tour. Artstra's commitment to the arts extends to the next generation of creators through scholarships and support for emerging artists. By investing in the future of the arts, Artstra ensures that the cultural landscape of Clark County remains vibrant and thriving.
He really is sharing that.